In this session, we are going to continue our string methods, and this will be part 2 of our video regarding string methods. In our previous session, we have seen about caret, index of, and last index of. Now in this session, we are going to learn these 4 methods: slice method, substring, and this substr, and also repeat. Now these 3 methods, these are used to extract part of the string. Now if I am having apple, if I just want pp, so I can extract that part of the string. So for that, these 3 methods are used. And when it comes to this substr, okay, this is deprecated. So we are not going to see much about this, but we will see how it works. Now let us start with slice method. Slice method is nothing but it will return a new string and it will give the extracted string as our output. Now I will just show you the syntax. Once we see this practically, you will have clear idea on this slice method. Okay, this is the text variable, that is which contains our string dot slice. Inside this, we just have to pass the index position. And second syntax is, and also we are going to give the index end when our index position is starting, from where I want to extract that, and index end is till where I have to extract. Okay, we will see the examples on this, and we are going to work on this string. Don't settle for average. And here I am having this table. For D, I will have the position as 0, index position, and reverse I will be having here -1. And for this, you can see, for this also we will be having the index number. This apostrophe also we will have the index number. Now let us see more about slice method. This will be my text, and this is regarding the index number. Now if I give text dot slice 6, if I give here 6th position, what it will do, from 6 it is going to extract the complete part. I have given only one parameter, which means I have given index start. What I am telling, I just want to start from 6th position and it will be extracting all the variables. So I will get the result as settle for average. Now if I give here -11, what it will do? It will be counting from reverse. -11 is here. So the result I will be getting is for average. From here it will be counted. Now if I give here 24, positive 24, you can see here the index number is ending at 23. I don't have 24. So it will not return anything. Okay, the result will be empty. Now if we are using second parameter, that is index start and index end. If I give here start index as 3, so it will be starting from this third position. Here I am having apostrophe, so apostrophe will be printed. Then till 11, so it will come here till 11, but this last position, this last index will not be counted. So till L I will be getting the result. So 311 I will get as 311 minus 1. So complete here till 10 I will get the result. Now if I am having here 11 comma 3, now 11 is here, 3 is here. In reverse direction it is not going to search, only in this direction, only to my right direction the strings will be extracted, but in reverse direction it will not, so it will return empty. It is not going to return me anything. Now if I give here -4 comma -2, -4 is here and -2 is here, so I will get this result. Starting index will be included, but end index will not be included. Same goes to positive. Starting index will be included, end index will not be included. In the same way, for negative also, starting will be included R, middle will be included, but this end -2 will not be included. So the result will be RA. And if I have -4, 13, we have already seen it will never go in reverse direction. Here I am having -4 and here I am having this 13. One is negative and one is positive, and it will never go in reverse direction. So this also returns nothing. Okay, empty, that is empty. Now here I am having positive and here I am having negative. So positive is here 13 and negative is here 1. So I will be getting this result. Till G I will get this one. For average, this last position will not be counted. Now let us practically see all the examples. I have opened my VS Code editor. Only to save time, I have just written this all the code. I'm just going to remove this, and this will be my text. I will save this. Now if I show you, you can see the text is printed. Now if I just give here, you can see this is the apostrophe and I'm just finding the index of that. Okay, if you want to check that apostrophe is also given some index number, you can use this index of method, which we have seen in our last tutorial. I will save this. You can see the index position is 3. We have already seen for apostrophe, the index position is 3. Then we are having slice 6. So from 6, it will start and it will give the entire result. And when we give only one index number, it is going to count till last. Okay, whatever letter we are having at the end, till there it is going to print the result. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 6 it will start, it will end till E. If I give -11, in reverse position it will start and I will be getting this result. Okay, we have already seen -11 here. So from here I will get the entire result. Then next we have 24. The index number was only till 23. If I give 24, I will not get anything. This will be empty. If I give two index number, okay, that is start and end, from 3 till 11 minus 1, whatever letters I am having, 3 comma 10, I will get that one. Okay, the 11th letter will not be counted, so I will get this result. If I reverse that one, first if I give greater number and then if I give lesser number, I will not be getting any result. This will be empty here. Okay, because in reverse direction, we are not extracting the strings. Then -4 and -2, we will get result as RA. We have already seen -4, -2, RA. Next, we are going to see -4, 13. Again, reverse direction, we will not get anything. 13, -1, we will get the result. From 13 till -2, it will be counted. -1, it will not include. So, I will get this result. Finally, if I just give 0 here, what happens? 0 position is here. If I give only one index number, then rest all the things will be printed. 0 is here. So from 0 till E, full content will be printed. So what it basically means, slice 0 and this text, this remains same. You can see, don't settle for average, and also for text, don't settle for average. We will not be having any change in that. Now if I just print text here, I will be getting the same result. Let me just comment this one. Now what I told you, it is going to extract the new string. This is our original string. Now whatever extracted parts we are having here, that is the new string. Now let me just come here. I will copy this 11 comma 3 comma 11. I will comment it out, this entire thing. I will paste it here. Now I will be creating one variable here. Let text1 is equal to text1. This is my result, text dot slice, and below this I just want to print this one, log text1. I will save this. Now for this I got the result. From 3 till 10 all my positions, all my letters are getting printed. Now this is a complete separate string. You can see this is a complete separate string. For this text one, my content is this. But for this text, my content is this. Now whatever properties we are having for this one, like slice, we have index of and everything, that can also be applied to this text one. Let me just come down. If I just write here dot index of, let me just write here set. I will save this. You can see I got the result as this -1. Let me remove int. I will save this. I got the result as 3 because this is 0, 1 and finally I am having here 3. 0, 1, this space is 2 and 3. From 3 it is getting started. So I will get the result as 3, third index position. So this is a complete separate text and this is a complete separate text. Okay, whatever original string we are having, that it is not going to change. This will be returning a new string. And for that new string, we can apply all string methods and all string property. Now if I just write here text length, I will save this. This is my length of the text. Now here let me write here log text dot length. I will save this. For this first one, I am having the length as 24, but for text one, I am having 8. 24, why I am getting here? Because it is starting from 0th position. 0 to 23, I will get the length as 24. Okay, this is how strings will be extracted and that will be stored as a separate string. And for that string, we can apply all the methods and properties which are available to string object. Now, when it comes to arrays, let me just comment this entire thing. Now, slice method, when we apply to arrays, what happens? Let us check. Now, for strings, each and individual letters will be given the index position, index number. But in arrays, this is the first element, this is the second element, third element, and fourth element. So, index position will be given to this entire element. So, this is my 0th position, first position, second position, and third position. For individual, it is not going to give anything, okay, because this is arrays and this will be treated as one element. But for strings, this is separate, this is separate, this is separate. Each and individual letters will be having number, but for arrays, this complete one word will be having one number. So 0th position, first position, second position, third position. Now if I just write here log, inside this let me just write here array data dot slice. If I give here 0, I will save this entire array is printed. Now when I open this one, array is also having a length property. Inside this, all arrays methods are printed. Okay, this array methods we are going to see later, but this will be our result. Okay, when we are using array with slice. Now in the same way, I will give here 2. So 0, 1, 2. From 2 it will start and it will end till here. So I will get the result as red and yellow. I will save this red and yellow and the length is 2. Now again in the same way, if I give two numbers, 2 and here I will be ending 3. So it will not be counted 2, 3 minus 1. I will get 2 comma 2. So I should be getting the result as red only. Okay, only red. Again I will come down. Now here if I give here negative number -2, let me write here -1. I will save this. I got the result as red because here I will be having -1 and this will be -2. So end will not be counted. So only -2 will be printed. Now suppose if I give here -3 and here if I give here -2, end will not be counted. So only the result will be green. Okay, this is how slice is useful in arrays. We have seen about strings, we have seen about arrays. Now next method we are going to see about substring. Now we are going to see about substring method. This method is very similar to slice method. It is also going to return a new string, and for that new string we can apply all the property and methods which are available to string objects. The only difference is that for this substring, the start and end position, if it is less than 0, that is negative numbers. If we give negative numbers, that will be treated as 0. Okay, this is the difference between slice and substring. We will see the example. And before that, let us see the syntax. Okay, the same syntax. Only thing is we are just going to change the method name, substring. Index start and index end position. Okay, the same string we are going to work, and this will be the position, index number 0, and negative numbers will be started from reverse. Now substring, if I give here 6, what happens? I will get the same result. From 6, I will get the entire result. The same result we got in slice method as well. If I give a negative number, you can see this is less than 0. So this will become 0 here. So I will get the entire result. From 0, if I start, it will be giving me the entire result. Okay, in definition, we have already seen the difference is that start and end values are treated as 0 if the number is less than 0 in substring method. Okay, that is what we have seen. If it is less than 0, this will be treated as 0. So from 0th position, all the entire result will be printed. But in slice method, we have seen if we have given minus 11, it will be counted from here till here to end. We were getting the result. Then if I give here 24, the index number ends at 23. If I give 24, same, I will not be getting anything. In slice method also, for this I will not get anything. Now using second parameter 3 comma 11. So I will get the same result for whatever we got in slice. For this also we will get the same result. The end count will not be counted here as well. If we give reverse in slice method, what happened? We were not able to count in reverse and we were not getting anything here. 11 comma 3. So in reverse direction we were not getting anything. But in substring, what happens when this first parameter is greater and second parameter is lesser, it will reverse this one. It will assume it is reversing. So here I will be getting 3 in first position and 11 in second position, second parameter. So this will become, this 11 comma 3 will be treated same as 3 comma 11. So I will get the same result. Whatever result we got here, the same result we are going to get here. Then minus 4 comma minus 2. As I told you, if these are less than 0, then this will be treated as 0. So minus 4 will become 0, minus 2 will become 0. So 0 comma 0, starting index is 0, ending index is also 0. When start position and end position becomes equal, then we get a result as empty. We don't get anything. Okay, so here I have written, it returns nothing. Here also 2 comma 2, starting position is same, ending position is same. So here also I will get nothing. Now here if I am having 13 comma minus 1, this minus 1 will be converted to 0. So 13 comma 0. 0 is lesser than 13. So it will reverse. 0 will come here. 13 will come here. So 0 comma 13, which will be 0 comma 13 minus 1. So from 0 till 12. Okay, till 12. Here after E, one space will also be included. 0 to 12, entire output will be displayed. Okay, I hope you understood this one. If you have not understood, we are going to see practically and then you will be having clear idea on this concept. These are the substring method. Let me just uncomment this, and one by one I will be uncommenting. This is my string. First, if I give substring, I will be getting the same result. From sixth position, entire output will be displayed. If I give negative number, it will be treated as 0. So I will get the entire text result. If I give here 24, the index number which is not present, then I will be getting nothing. I will get empty result. If I give 3 comma 11, I will get the same result as we got in slice method. From third index position till 10th index position, this result will be displayed. Now if I give here first parameter to be greater and second parameter lesser, in slice method we saw it is not going to extract in reverse position and we were getting the empty result. But in substring method, if we give like this is just going to reverse the position. So this will be treated as 3 comma 11. So whatever result we got for this, we will get the same result for this one. I will save this. You can see for both we are having the same result. Now if I give 2 comma 2, first index is same, second index is same, start index and end index both are same. So I will get empty result. I will not be getting anything. Now if both are negative, this will be treated as 0. This will be treated as 0. So again this both becomes same, 0 comma 0 equal. So again for this also I will get empty result. I will not get anything. Now this is 13 comma minus 1. So first this will be treated as like this 13 comma 0. Now 13 is greater than 0. So this will be counted like this 0 comma 13. So now this result will be printed from 0 comma 13 minus 1. Okay, that is 12. From 0 to 12 position, all the letters will be displayed. So I will get this result. Then finally, we have already seen if we just give 0, it will be counting entire thing and we will get this result. Okay, this is the basic difference between slice and substring. For slice, if we give like this reverse position, we will not get any result. Okay, for this one. And negative numbers will be counted, but here negative numbers will be treated as 0. Okay, this is all about substring. Let me just comment this one. Now next method we are going to see about substr. Okay, this method is also very similar to slice method, but the second position, whatever the second parameter, whatever we are giving, that describes the length of the word which we are extracting. Now this will be the syntax, the same syntax, index position, start position, everything. Now same text we are going to use. Now before moving to repeat, let me just show you the example here. So practically we are just going to see one example so that we will understand what is this substr. But as it is deprecated, so we are not going to learn much about this method. I will just come down. Let me copy the same text. I will be pasting it here. Now for this substring also, how we have done arrays for this slice, you can also perform and you can practice that. Now below this, let me just copy this first console and here I'll be pasting. Now you can see when I write this one, I am getting this strike here. One strike for this one. When I hover on this, it is going to tell me this is deprecated. You can see this is deprecated, which means now it is not used. Now if I give here string, if I just give here 6, so from 6th position, it is going to extract the entire thing. I will save, I will get the entire thing. Now in the same way, if I give the second parameter, that is length, if I write here 5, So from sixth position, only 5 letters will be extracted. I will save, you can see only 5 letters will be extracted. If I give here 7, 7 letters will be extracted, and here one space I am having, you can see. If I do like this, I am getting one space as well. If I give here 7 and here if I just give 2, 7, 2, which means from 7th index it will be started and only 2 letters will be displayed. Okay, second parameter is nothing but it is just going to tell the length of how many letters we are going to extract. Okay, as of now, you don't have to worry much about the substring because it is deprecated and no longer it is used. So I'm not going to explain you much examples on that. You can just leave that sub str as well. Now next we are going to see the repeat method. What it is going to do? It is going to repeat the string as the number we have defined. Now let us see the syntax. Text variable repeat and we just have to give the number. What this number means? Now if I am having this text and if I give repeat 3, the same text it is going to repeat 3 times. Okay, let's see an example on this. This is my repeat. I just have to write here repeat. Sorry, it's not replace. It is repeat method. And here I have given 3. I will save this. Don't settle for average. Don't settle for average and don't settle for average. 3 times I am going to get the result. If I give here 100, I will save 100 times I will be getting the result. You can see 100 times I got the result. And this one, this will be the complete separate string. Okay, whatever extracted part we are having, that will be the complete separate string. Let me comment this out. Here I'll be creating let text1 is equal to this. Now if I just come down and if I just want to print console.log text1 dot length, I will save this. Now the length is 2400. But for this, if I just give the length text dot length, I should be getting the result as 24. You can see only 24. Here I have multiplied by 100. Okay, that is 100 times it is going to print. So I will get this result 2400. If I give here 1000, I will be getting 24000. You can see this will be the length. This is a complete different string and this is a complete different string. It is also going to return a new string. Whatever original string we are having, that will not be modified and we get the complete separate new string. Okay, this is all about slice method, substring, substr and repeat method. Next, we will be learning more string methods and understand each of the method and write more examples on that.